Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a network cable unplugged error in Windows 11. So how to fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, the first method is that first of all in the search box type ncpa.cpl. So open it. After doing this step, select the internet adapter which is used to connect your internet. Right click, go to your properties. Select the QoS package scheduler. Click on configure, click yes to continue and go to your advanced option. After doing this test, go down and find out speed and duplex. Select first of all select 100 Mbps full duplex, but if your error is still, then you can select 10 Mbps full duplex. Click on OK to continue. Now you can see data is connected, so close it. After doing this step, the second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt. Right click run as administrator. After opening a command, first of all type a command is ipconfig space /flash DNS and press enter. After doing this step, type a netsh space winsock space reset. Press enter. After doing this step, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. After doing this step, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this step, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.